fun coming here. Thanks a lot, thank you very much. And I know that also here MotoGP and all the Yamaha team is very followed from you, and we have a lot of support, so we try to give the maximum. And yeah, unfortunately I'm here also for help Philippines after the bad typhoon, after Yolanda in November, that did a big disaster for Philippines. So we try to give help, and we try to take some money for charity, and to stay together today, and helping together with Yamaha to give a small hand to all the Philippines. And so thanks a lot.
Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, Valentino Rossi.